Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change the clock and also the style on always on display on Samsung Galaxy phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025 with One UI7 and this is the always on display. If you want to change the clock or to change the always on display style, you can do it. First I will show you how to change the clock. For that, just do a little pinch on the home screen and here tap on wallpaper and style. Here tap on the wallpaper and here we have the clock. Tap on it and we have the same clock on the lock screen and always on on the always on display. And to change it, just choose your favorite one, for example this one. Also you can change the style like this and show weather information or disable, whatever you want. Then you can enlarge it like this and tap done. And now if you lock the screen, here is my new always on display. Now if you want to change it that all with another style, you can do it. Do again a little pinch, tap on wallpaper and style. Here tap on change wallpapers, swipe down, tap on get more wallpapers, and here we have always on displays. Tap on it. Okay, and here we have a lot of always on displays. Some of them are for money, but also we have some free versions, and I will choose a free one. And let's say, for example, this one with the butterfly. And now I will tap on downloading, apply. You can choose between always on display, clock and image, and image only. I will let clock and image, tap done, and always on display was applied. Now let's see how it looks. And this is my always on display now. Okay, so it's good that we have this feature to change the always on display. Please let me in the comment area what do you think about it and how it's working for you. Also, I hope this video to be useful and see you to the next. Have a nice day.